I'm not!
Keep telling yourself that.
Someone approaching! On a machine!
Si Sony na meron din silang effort for tag dito for blockchain. So, parang tinatry din nila. Ayan.
May trophy din pala sa DLC. Level talaga yung basic na
Okay. I'm sorry.
You?
Where's the...
Hey, all right. After you left without so much as a handshake, I mean, people like me, we fought and bled at your side, Aloy. You just, what kind of person does that?
Nag-Disneyland kami, pero hindi ko parang feeling ko hindi sulit yung Disneyland. Parang siyang Enchanted Kingdom, no? I don't know, siguro baka
yung to yung may challenge. Oh, yun yung
sorry. Ayan, para kita na lahat, no? Video game preservation is a form of preservation applied to the video game industry.
My friends, let us fight together again.
I have waited long for this day.
We will fight with you once more.
You want to save?
Let me know if...
Now we need to discuss kung ano yung shared capitalism. Kasi nandun yung key kung ano yung parang benefit na questionable para sa corporate to do this game preservation. Diba?
ito, bukas na lang natin tuloy ito.
Ng traction para ma-push yung game to release it physically, 'di ba? Yun yung mga loss in translation na.
Balik ako, guys.
Game na very passionate sa ginagawa nila. Oh, yun na lang, yun na lang paniwalaan nyo. Huwag na yung mga giorno, like, I don't know, ignorance. Like, ignorance. Sa bagay na yun, tumataas ang presyo. Diba? Kapag konti ang demand, bumababa ang presyo kasi ang daming supply. Diba? So ngayon sa games, since
nakakasira na paglalaro yan.
But Sokolov's research facility was completely wiped out. The whole area is polluted.
I can only offer you my deepest condolences over this terrible tragedy.
So,
hemisphere it's winter. No? So winter lang sa Japan. Kaya yeah, malamig din, no? Malamig din sa Hokkaido. Hindi ka daw bubudol sa
Yun yung maganda, yung sa Twins. Yung Crimson Butterfly nga. Saka medyo mahaba yun. $142.52. Tanggal na tayo yung platform saka yung save point.
hanap ka ng clout. Oh, anong reveal mo? Ano ba yan? Usapang BioWare ba yan? Oh. 'Di ba after ng Concord, BioWare naman ngayon yung art nung casing, yung CD, no? Tapos i-burn yung CD. So maraming proseso. 'Di ba? So maantala yung resupply.
Aren't as bad since you got this place running again. But we still got Olvin grating the gears about his concession decree. If you don't put that down, I'll come over there and show you how that game ends.
So, yung server mo, ayun yung central bank. O, ayun yung bank. Depende kung saan yung source ng pera. So, kapag binigay sa'yo yung
invisible, I wouldn't have to bother hiding or wearing camouflage.
Maybe someday you'll be able to turn invisible.
Yeah, that'll be the day.
Dead bristleback by the falls. Gotta check it out. Alright, I should find whoever's in charge here. But first, I could resupply at my stash.
Ito nga TJ no? Kasi doon sa company namin, meron kami health and wellness, no? Pero, medyo, meron siyang rule.
I could check in on your...
What's this? MGS na lang laro natin. Saka ko na itutuloy ito. Ano Zukidal?
Bawat isa. Yung platform holder, meron silang responsibility on this. Tayo as a community, no, meron tayong responsibility. And then parang minting yung naging process, no, of creating the game. So ang mangyayari diyan, ang kagandahan kasi ng digital games, no, at least ngayon, is that unlimited yung supply niya. Yung parang progression niya, hindi siya something like parang arcade yung style na parang merong set of tawag dito, enemies. Ano tawag dito? Ayun nga, no, yung feeling ko yung traffic ngayon sa Manila, parang bumalik na sa normal na after the pandemic. No, yung pangatlong game. Sabi natin yung pangatlong game. Ngayon, ang magiging mangyayari doon, si Sony, no, once na nirelease nila yon digitally, mag-mint sila ng NFT for sale. Siyempre, information dun sa mga website na pinupuntahan natin. So may mga login, pwede ka na mag post ng comment, no, regarding dun sa article. So yun yung web 2. Naging no ng preservation. Piracy is very situational, no, na take kasi parang
apparently she's Sokolov's woman.
Thanks to you, I was forced to spend the night shivering in the tent, exposed to attack. I might have died. Oh, me you refuse to transport, but not this.
Mukhang Amyoji yung tatay niya.
Na parang gaming related. Kunyari, controller, yan. Para kay TJ kasi parang pambili niya ng controller yan. Hindi siya papasok dun sa criteria. Ano pa ba? Basta anything about useful thing na pwede mong magamit, 'di ba? And could attribute a value. So yun yung pag kinompare mo, no, yung mga yon versus sa American Boss ko, putek, sobrang lenient, sobrang luwag.
Dead bristleback by the falls. Gotta check it out.
Effort na to. Nag-e-effort sila, no, to preserve yung game. Pero walang return of investment sa mga bagay na to, 'di ba? So, parang ano to, charity, no?
Here you go.
Outstanding! I only need a few minutes to finish the prototype.
I'll take the version that won't blow my arms off. Thanks.
Yun nga yung kinakagalit nila eh, yung sa River kasi nakaka-burnout nga kasi sa minigame, saka hindi siya basta.
So, paano siya mag-work? So, itong Web3, nandito yung blockchain. Obviously, nandito yung blockchain. Diba? So, ngayon, ang magiging iniisip ko,
but no one's allowed in or out before an embassy. Now we're open.
Where if he's... We'll see about this. There's a lot of activity going on. And it's never good. Sooner or later, someone's gonna have to deal with him. Heart tracks must have given way under. Some aggressive acts were in here. Well, thanks, but I've waited long enough. It's time to go.
Absolutely not. This embassy depends on diligent adherence.
Hank, you all right? I've run into a few snags. These guys were after Sokolov too. Apparently they were taking orders from a GRU colonel named Volgan.
A GRU colonel?
Part of an internal Soviet power struggle, according...
gagana yun sa PS, obviously. Kasi ibang platform siya. Diba? Ganun din kay Mac. No, yung Mac executable, hindi rin gagana kay Windows kasi kay Mac siya. Diba? Ganun din kay PS.
This is one for the history books. The world's first Halo jump. 10 seconds to drop off. Stand by.
Ay, nakuha ko na to. Ito. taas.
Stand aside, soldier.
Bakit gustong gawin ng mga professor?
Dream na. Ano, paano ba? Parang pinaka gusto kong puntahan, no? Bago man lang tayo mawala sa mundo, di ba? Bago mawala sa mundo, no? Makapunta ng Japan, no? So, yun.
What's going on at that camp?
You really think you can do that?
Karuk, come on. You know.
Parang solution for this is that ang isa kasi sa mga technology ng blockchain is yung tinatawag nating digital ownership.